My name is Jane, and this is my husband, Alex. We came from a small town, and 10 years ago,
And 10 years ago, we got married with big dreams, but limited resources.
life was not easy at the beginning. We faced many struggles, worked tirelessly, and supported each other through every challenge.
Today, we live in a big city and hold important positions, but our journey here was not without difficulties.
One of the biggest challenges we faced was communication and using spoken English with confidence. Through this channel, we want to share our daily life experiences so that you can learn from our journey.
Improve your communication skills and grow with us step by step.
Today, we're going to the nearby park for an evening walk and to meet our friends. Come and join us in this lovely conversation. Alex, the weather looks so pleasant today. So I was thinking we should go to the park and enjoy some fresh air.
That sounds like a great idea, because we have both been busy all week, and a calm walk would really relax us.
I will grab my light jacket, just in case the breeze gets a little cool while we walk.
I will bring my sunglasses, because the sun is already shining brightly this morning.
It feels nice to plan something simple and peaceful together.
Yes, sometimes these small plans bring the most happiness.
Let's walk slowly and talk about random things like we used to.
I miss those long conversations, where time does not feel rushed at all.
Maybe we will also meet some familiar faces in the park.
The park is usually full of people we know on weekends.
I like how green everything looks after the recent rain.
Nature really changes the mood in a positive way.
I already feel lighter just thinking about the walk.
Me too, and I feel hungry already from the fresh air.
Don't worry, we can grab something to eat later.
Maybe ice cream if the shop is open.
Ice cream in the park sounds perfect.
Then let's not waste any more time at home.
I am ready. Let's lock the door and go.
The path to the park always feels shorter. When we walk together,
That's because good company makes every journey easier.
let's start this beautiful day with a peaceful walk.
The park looks even more beautiful today, with all these people walking around.
I like how the trees create shade along the walking path.
The sound of birds makes the place feel alive.
It's so calming that I almost forget about work stress.
Walking side by side like this feels comforting.
I agree. I enjoy simple moments together.
Look at those kids playing near the swings.
Their laughter makes the whole park feel cheerful.
Let's slow down and enjoy the view instead of rushing.
I'm happy to match your pace today.
The flowers near the path smell amazing.
Nature really knows how to welcome people warmly.
I think I see someone familiar near the fountain.
Yes, those look like our friends walking toward us.
What a nice surprise to meet them here.
This park really feels like a meeting point for everyone.
Let's wave and call them over.
I'll raise my hand so they can notice us.
I'm glad we decided to come out today.
Moments like these turn into good memories.
Our walk is already getting more interesting.
Let's stop near the fountain and greet them properly.
Hi, it's so nice to see you both here today.
We didn't expect to meet you at the park.
We come here often when the weather is nice. The fresh air helps us relax after a long week.
We were just enjoying a slow walk together.
The park feels extra lively today.
That's true. There are many families and couples around.
It makes the place feel warm and welcoming.
Are you planning to stay long or just walk around?
We don't have a fixed plan yet.
We were thinking of getting something sweet later.
The ice cream shop near the lake is open today.
That's good news, because I was craving ice cream.
Ice cream always makes a walk more enjoyable.
Why don't we all go together?
That sounds like a fun idea.
I'd love to continue the walk with you.
Then let's head toward the lakeside.
The path there is very scenic.
Walking and talking with friends makes time fly.
Let's enjoy every moment.
Today is turning out to be better than expected.
Walking as a group feels lively and energetic.
The gossip make the path feel shorter.
This part of the park is my favorite. The lake always looks peaceful from here.
I love how the water reflects the sky.
It feels like a perfect background for photos.
We should definitely take pictures later.
Yes, memories like these deserve to be captured.
I can already see the ice cream stall ahead.
That's great. I'm feeling hungry too.
Walking really increases appetite.
Especially when the weather is this nice.
What flavor are you planning to get?
I'm thinking about chocolate or vanilla.
I might try something fruity today.
It's hard to choose with so many options.
The smell already feels tempting.
This walk has turned into a perfect outing.
I'm glad we ran into each other today.
Me too, it made the day more special.
Let's line up before it gets crowded.
Good idea. I don't want to wait too long.
This ice cream tastes even better in this setting.
I agree. The cool breeze adds to the experience.
The lake looks beautiful from this angle. It feels like a perfect break from routine.
I'm glad we decided to sit and relax.
Walking and then resting feels balanced.
These moments help clear the mind.
I feel calm and content right now.
Me too, I wish days like this lasted longer.
We should plan outings like this more often.
That would be lovely.
Life feels lighter with good company.
And good ice cream.
That's definitely true.
I'm enjoying every bite slowly.
No rush. We have plenty of time.
The sound of water is soothing.
It makes the whole park feel peaceful.
I'll remember this day fondly.
Me too, it's a simple but happy memory.
Let's take a photo before we leave.
Yes, this moment deserves to be saved.
My morning at home. Good morning, Alex. It's Monday. Time to wake up.
Already? The weekend disappeared so quickly. I feel like I didn't rest at all.
I know, weekends always feel short. But you have an early meeting today. Remember?
Oh right, I almost forgot about that meeting. What time is it now?
It's already 7 o'clock. You really should get up now.
7? That early? I was hoping to sleep a little longer.
If you sleep more, you'll end up rushing and feeling stressed.
Just 5 more minutes, please. I promise I'll get up after that.
You said the same thing last week. And then you skipped breakfast.
Well, that's true. But today will be different.
No, Alex. No more excuses today. It's a fresh start to the week. Come on, sit up.
All right, I'm getting up.
That's better. Go freshen up quickly.
Did you already make coffee?
Yes, it's waiting for you in the kitchen.
Now that's real motivation.
And I'm making breakfast too. So don't take too long.
Okay, I'll be ready in a few minutes.
Good. Let's start the day calmly and on time.
Thanks, Jane. You always keep everything on track.
Someone has to. Now hurry up.
Yes, ma'am, I'm awake now.
Emma, sweetheart, wake up. It's time for school.
Mom, I'm still sleepy. Just 5 more minutes.
You said that yesterday too. Come on, get up.
Mondays are so difficult. I don't like them.
I understand. But you have to be responsible.
Do I have school today for sure?
Yes, of course. Now sit up.
Okay, I'm awake now.
Jane, have you seen my office bag? I can't find it anywhere.
Yes, I kept it near the table last night. So you wouldn't forget it.
Oh, I didn't notice. I was looking in the bedroom.
You always rush in the morning and forget where things are.
That's true. Mornings are always hectic for me.
Go check near the table next to your laptop.
1 second. Yes, I found it. Thanks, Jane.
Good. Make sure everything is inside. Documents, charger, and notebook.
Let me check. Yes. Everything seems to be there.
Did you iron your shirt for today?
No, I was too tired yesterday after work. I just went straight to bed.
I thought so. That's why I ironed it for you this morning.
Really? You didn't have to do that.
It's okay. I know you have a busy day ahead.
You always take care of everything. I don't know what I'd do without you.
That's my job at home. I'm happy to help.
Where did you keep the shirt?
It's hanging in the wardrobe, neatly pressed.
Wow, it looks perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now go and get dressed quickly.
Do I have enough time?
If you don't waste time, yes. But you're already a little late.
Oh no, I need to hurry then.
Also, don't forget your watch and wallet.
Thanks for reminding me. I always forget something.
That's why I keep an eye on everything.
You really make my mornings easier.
And you should make them easier too, by waking up earlier.
All right, I'll try from tomorrow.
You say that every day.
Haha. Okay, maybe this time I mean it.
Let's see. Now hurry up, breakfast is almost ready. Emma, did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did. I'm getting dressed now.
All right. Make sure you wear your full uniform neatly.
Mom, I can't find my uniform anywhere. I've been looking for it.
Did you check your wardrobe properly? Or are you just guessing?
I checked, but maybe not carefully.
Look again and move your clothes one by one. It must be there.
Okay, I'll check again. Wait, oh, here it is. It was behind my jacket.
See? I told you to look properly.
Sorry, Mom. I was getting worried.
It's okay, but next time be more organized.
I will. Now I'll wear it quickly.
Yes, hurry up. We don't have much time left.
Mom, does this uniform look okay?
Yes, it looks fine. But button your shirt properly.
Oh, I missed one button. Let me fix it.
And tuck in your shirt neatly.
Like this?
Yes, that's much better.
Mom, can you help me with my hair? I can't make it neat.
Of course, come sit here. Bring your comb.
I want to neat braids today. Just like yesterday.
All right, but you have to sit still. It will only take a few minutes.
Okay, I'll not move.
Good girl. Your hair is soft. It will look very nice in braids.
Mom, will my friends like it?
Of course they will. You always look lovely.
Are you done?
Almost. Just one more braid.
I'm excited to see it.
There, all done. Go look in the mirror.
Wow, I love it. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Now I'm fully ready for school.
Good. Let's go have breakfast quickly. Emma, come have your breakfast.
I'm coming, Mom.
Eat properly, don't rush.
But I don't want to be late.
You still have time. Drink your milk.
Can I have juice instead?
No, milk is important for you.
Okay, I will drink it.
Something smells really good. What are you cooking?
I'm making eggs, toast, and tea.
That sounds perfect for a busy Monday.
Sit down, I'll serve you.
You woke up early just for this?
Yes, I like starting the day fresh.
Thank you, Jane. I really appreciate it.
Just eat well and have a good day. Emma, did you pack your school bag?
Yes, I think so.
Check again. Do you have your homework?
Oh no! I forgot my English notebook.
Go, bring it quickly.
Got it. Thank you for reminding me.
Always double check before leaving.
I will, Mom.
I'm ready to leave now. I think I have everything.
Wait, don't rush. Take your lunchbox first.
Oh, I almost forgot again.
You always forget it on busy mornings.
That's true. What did you pack for me today?
I made some rice, vegetables, and grilled chicken. It's healthy and filling.
That sounds perfect. I'll actually look forward to lunch now.
Good. And don't skip your lunch like you did last week.
I know. I'll make sure to eat on time today.
Also, did you take your documents for the meeting?
Yes, they're in my bag. I checked twice this time.
That's good. I don't want you calling me later asking where they are.
Haha, not today. I'm fully prepared.
Let's hope so.
Do I look okay? Is this shirt fine?
Yes, you look great. Very professional.
Thanks to you for ironing it.
You're welcome. Now, wear your watch and don't forget your keys.
Got them right here. See, I'm improving.
That's good to see. Just leave a little early so you don't get stuck in traffic.
Yes, I'll try to reach the office on time today.
Drive safely and be careful on the road.
I will, don't worry.
Take care at work. And don't stress too much.
I'll try my best. You take care at home, too.
I will. I'll finish the housework and then take some rest.
Good. Don't overwork yourself.
Don't worry about me. Just focus on your day.
All right. See you in the evening.
Yes, come home early if you can.
I'll try. Bye, Jane.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.